Here's my 1989 Toyota Supra Mk III single turbo. It's a 7M GTE. I'm having some rough idling problems. It's about 26 degrees Celsius outside today, but that's never been a problem in the past. It almost feels as if one cylinder is misfiring, but that's probably not the case. That's just what it sounds like to me. The video doesn't show it very well, but there's some vibration, and well, that's what the RPM is. I'm idle right now, or rather parked. And here's the exhaust note. And now I'll pop the hood. The motor vibrates a little bit on the mounts, it looks like. So any help would be greatly appreciated.